children? How are you? Are you fine? Very good. All of you open your course book volume 2. Open your course book volume 2. The food chain. Yesterday already I taught this lesson, half of the portion. What is a food chain? One animal is depending on another animal for food. Another animal is depending on another animal. Like that, one animal is depending on another animal. It is called a food chain. That is called a food chain. Here, generally a food chain begins with green plants and ends with the predators such as tigers and eagles. Green plants are called producers because they make their own food. Animals which eat these plants and other animals are called consumers. So herbivores, carnivores and omnivores are the consumers. Generally, food chain will start with the producers. Food chain start with the producers. Who are the producers? Green plants are the producers. Who are the producers? Green plants. Green plants are the producers. Why we call the green plants are the producers? The food chain is start with the producers. Understand me? The food chain is start with the producers. Who are the producers? Green plants are called as producers. Green plants are called as producers. Why we called the green plants as producers? Actually food chain ఎవరితో స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందిరా? Food chain అనేది producers తో స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. Who are the producers? Producers are the green plants. Green plants are the producers. Why we call the green plants as the producers? Because green plants will make their own food. They won't depend on others. అర్థమవుతుందా మీకు? Green plants will not depend on others. ఇప్పుడు క్యాట్ ఉందిరా, సపోజ్ ప్లాంట్స్ ఎవరు తింటారు? ఇగో rats are eaten by the cats. Rats are eaten by the cats. Cats are eaten by the dog. Dogs are eaten by the tigers and other animals. Okay? One animal is food of another animal. Like that, the producers, the green plants, won't depend on others. ఈ గ్రీన్ ప్లాంట్స్ ఇంకొకరితో ఫుడ్ కోసం డిపెండ్ అవ్వవు. Here, cat depend on rats, dog depend on cats, like that. But here, green plants won't depend on other. Won't depend on other. Inko depend on they themselves. They prepare the food with own. They prepare the own food. Here, green plants will not depend on others. Other animals paina depend above. They make their own food. That's what these are called as producers. Why we call the green plants as producers? Because green plants will prepare the own food. They prepare the own foods. That's what they are the producers. The food chain is start from the producers to consumers. Producers to consumers. Who are the consumers? Lion and tigers are the consumers. The food chain is start with the producers. Producers means green plants, and end with the consumers. Who are the consumers? Tiger and lion are the consumers, because nobody will eat the tiger and lion. Food chain తీసుకుందామా నాన్న? Here, carrot is eaten by the rabbit. Rabbit is eaten by the fox. Fox is eaten by the lion. Here, lion onwards it was stopped. Lion is a consumer. Nobody will not eat lion. ఇక్కడ lion తినే వాళ్ళు ఎవరు లేరు ఇక్కడ. The food chain is end with the consumer. Start with the green plants. Start with the plants means producers. Start with the producers and end with the consumers. Here lion and tiger are the consumers. Understand me? At each link of the food chain, energy is being transferred from one organism to another in only one direction. Example, from producer to consumers. When the producers and consumers die, decomposers, microorganisms and fungi break down the dead bodies to get their food and add minerals, nutrients to the soil. Thus they complete the cycle of life. Here, once again I am telling, the food chain is start with the producers and end with the consumer. Food chain is start with the producers. Who are the producers? Green plants are the producers and end with the consumers. Who are the consumers? Lion and tiger are the consumers. Okay? Here, next. When the producers and consumers died, when the producers and consumers, these are the consumers. Here, producers are the green plants. Producers are the green plants. Green plants are the producers. Who are the consumers? Who depend on others? Who depend on others for the food? They are the consumers. Who depend on others for food? They are the consumers. For example, here, grass is eaten by the grasshopper. Grasshopper is eaten by the rat. Rat is eaten by the snake. Snake is eaten by the eagle. These are all are called the consumers. Consumers means who depend on others for food. Who are consumers? An animal who depend on others for food. An animal who depend on others for food is a consumer. Here, these are all the consumers. Plants are producers. They won't depend on others. Plants incorporate food కోసం depend అవ్వట్లేదు. They are preparing the food by themselves. So that's what they are, the producers. Here, producers and consumers both are died. Both died. If the producers and the consumers are died, they died. What happened if they died? It was decomposed. After dying of plants and animals. After dying of plants and animals. After dying of plants and animals. If the producers and the consumers both are died, then from the dead body. The dead body is decomposed. The dead body of plants and animals is decomposed. Okay? When decomposed, the microorganisms and fungi was produced. From that, the decomposes of the plants and animals, the vitamins and minerals may formed. The vitamins and minerals will make the soil fertile. Will make the soil fertile. Like that, the soil fertility may increase due to the dead bodies of the plants and animals. The following examples will give you a clear understanding of how the food chain works. It starts with the nuts from plants which are eaten by a rabbit. The rabbit is eaten by a lion. Once the lion dies, the microorganisms and fungi decompose it into soil. You see in the picture. Here plants are the producers. Here plants are eaten by the grasshopper. Grasshopper is a consumer. Here grasshopper is eaten by the rats. Rat is a consumer because it depends on others. Next, it was eaten by the snake. Snake is the consumer. Snake is eaten by the eagle. If all these died, all of the animals, all of eagles, snakes, not only this, all the consumers if die, they may decompose. You can చూడండి decompose అయినాయి. From the decomposes, the vitamins and minerals may produce. Soil fertility is increased and again there the plants may grow. ఇక్కడ decompose అయినవి ఉంటాయి కదండి. Decompose అయిన వాటి నుండి మళ్ళీ చిన్న ప్లాంట్స్ పెరుగుతుంటాయి. ఓకే, అక్కడ soil fertility పెరుగుతుంది. Here, energy transfer is non-cycle, nutrients transfer is cycle, and decomposes complete the cycle of life, recycle of nutrients. Okay, this is the food chain, recycle of nutrients. Okay, all of you open your workbook. Open your workbook. Open your workbook now. All of you open your workbook and give the notes to you. What is a food chain? What is a food chain? Every organism is a food to the other. Every organism is a food to the other. This is continuous. This is continuous chain with a beginning, and an end. Is called a food chain. Is called a food chain. What is the differences between a herbivorous and a omnivorous? A herbivorous is an A herbivore is an animal. Herbivorous is an animal that eats plants. And omnivorous omnivore is an animal that eats plants and animals. That eats plants and animals. Okay, complete your answer. Next. How do animals get energy? Animals get energy. Animals get energy from the food we eat. What are the microorganisms that feed on dead animals called? The microorganisms that feed on dead animals are called as decomposers. The microorganisms that feed on dead animals are called as decomposers. Why are green plants called producers? Green plants make their own food. Green plants make their own food. So they are called producers. So they are called as producers. Green plants make their own food, so they are called as producers. Amma, today's class is completed. Tomorrow we will meet you.